Low float RGC is the move in the regular session of today, the 17th of March 2025. A couple of days ago, we projected 13.48. That has since printed. Currently, it's now at $18.27. Float is around 1 million or some fraction. So I was warning that there's a chance that the company can decide to split the stock at any point. The downward projections we read out all the way down to 3.13. They haven't come anywhere close at all. Anywhere close at all. And as things stand right now, we are even projecting for 22.35. It hasn't printed to 22.35, at least going all the way back to a couple of months. I don't think, at least all the way back to November, it hasn't printed such prices. But we are projecting that 22.35. It can actually do that in this session. There are no projections. The algos are not calculating that as well, but we are doing so. This is its 1 hour chart, and at the same time as well, you should also expect a pullback. Okay, let's look at the 2 hour chart and see. Yes, intraday high is 19.25 on this 4 hour chart. We also haven't found any news, so we have a pullback of a down projection of 15.55, something that can happen. Okay, let's have a look. That's on the 2 hour chart. Let's see now. And also, these consolidations they had here can equally serve as support as well. 13 point, funny enough, it's just right around where our last projection before this projection of $22 and some fractions, 22.35 that we have now. So let's see now. We have 15.54 as well on the 3 hour chart. It could also, just like in the 2 hour chart, also get support around that $13.88 or thereabout. You could say 11.69 to 13.88. Support is around there. Let's see now. 4 hour chart. Let's see. Okay. Yes. Just okay. There's a downward projection here over 15.6. Pull back towards here 11.31 and 12.97. Some support there, but also there's a downward projection all the way down to 4.78. Yeah, which is also somewhat in line with the readout we had a couple of days ago. But momentum is not it's not expected to be as strong as it was before. That will be that it's not expected to be as strong as it was when it spiked all the way towards 14.31. That was, you could say, from Wednesday the 12th. Then for the momentum behind this the spike is by far is expected to remain stronger than anything that's going to come out any soon. This does not mean that it wouldn't continue to print high highs. It's just that it just makes sense. If it's spiking from $4 and some fraction towards 14, yes, you can imagine that the momentum is absolutely huge. But if it's spiking from current levels now, 18.3 to around 22, there's a good chance that you can easily imagine that the momentum wouldn't be as much as what it was before, what it was spiking from $3 and some fraction to $14. So that's just what it's indicating, or rather projecting. At the same time, we could also that could also change as well. It's a low float stock, and a lot could still happen. So this is the daily chart. Higher prices are extrapolated or forecasted. Momentum is also expected to wane slightly, but on this daily chart, it's expected to remain strong up till Tuesday the 25th, and then begin to wane thereafter. So yeah, so $22 we had. This was in play as of August of last year. Yeah, but now, yeah, the last time it traded such highs was July of 2023. Yeah, so higher highs as we're projecting. The extrapolation of its 10 and 21-day moving averages seem to be corroborating that. Downward projections, nothing here, but they were in play a couple of days ago. 1.57, zero point 0.1 or thereabouts. So yeah, that would be really harsh. But yeah, yeah, there's also there's a downward projection here that's in play, 9.43. Yeah, so RGC on the move at the moment. Again, low float. We're projecting highs of around 22.35. The last time I printed such highs was last time it closed at such highs was all the way back in July of 2023. What are the odds that those can happen? That can happen. Not very high, not very high, but amidst all of these, amidst low probabilities, it has been able to even reach the highs where it is currently now. So when we projected the highs of around 13.48, the probability wasn't very high, and we're still doing so now for 22.35. Yeah. So just see what you make of RGC, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.